including the Prophet Muhammad, said, "As long as there is even one person on earth who says, 'My Lord, and turns to him, the apocalypse will not happen. And even if it does, if you have a sapling in your hand, plant it, and it will be counted." On the battlefield, no collective force, even under the leadership of one who imagines himself the Pharaoh of the world, can defeat us.
В боевых условиях было проведено в том числе и испытание одной из новейших российских.
Di tengah situasi genting yang melingkupi Rusia, sebuah momen langka mencuri perhatian dunia. Presiden Vladimir Putin berdiri dengan penuh hikmat, mendengarkan maklumat dari Ketua Mufti Rusia dalam menyikapi kekhawatiran warga Rusia akan rudal kiamat Oresnik.
Ислам Талгат Сафа Таджуддин, Верховный Муфтий, председатель Центрального Духовного Управления Мусульман России.
Dalam pidatonya, Sang Mufti menyampaikan sebuah hadis Nabi Muhammad SAW yang menggetarkan hati. Di tengah badai geopolitik yang mengancam negeri ini, Sang Mufti menyinggung perjuangan rakyat Palestina yang teguh dan berani, bisa dijadikan contoh semangat dan kekuatan dari Tuhan.
Earlier this week, you gathered nearly all of our heroes. There are no longer just dozens, but hundreds. And you captured the remarkable spirit of our society and our country with these words. It is impossible to conquer or break Russia. Precisely. Each century we prove this. We reached Paris, Berlin, Stockholm, and now there are no borders ahead of our Kinzhal missiles. For centuries, thank the Almighty, this has been proven. Today, however, the world is not just boiling over in Ukraine or Donbass, where our defenders courageously protect our land. Alongside them, our imams stand with Orthodox priests and representatives of other traditional religions. Among them are martyrs and the wounded. But the whole world is in turmoil. What is happening in Palestine and the Middle East is once again close to home. There is a real threat of its spread to Central Asia, absolute terrorism. Many ask, will there be a third world war? Will there be an apocalypse? But as believers, we know well that the end of days is an individual experience. Parents, friends, and loved ones pass into the ever-present world every day. But a global apocalypse can only be arranged by God, not the collective West or America, no matter their arrogance. A multipolar world exists, and the overwhelming majority of people and nations that adhere to spiritual and moral values, faith and morality, now look to our united country. BRICS and the events in Kazan are clear evidence of this, as is the Islamic world's majority. Just days ago, at the World Russian People's Council, Patriarch Kirill said, "We do not fear the apocalypse. We do not fear it, but people tremble when they hear daily talks of it on TV." Scientists discuss the universe expanding, then one day collapsing. No, messengers of the Almighty, including the Prophet Muhammad, said, "As long as there is even one person on earth who says, 'My Lord, and turns to him, the apocalypse will not happen. And even if it does, if you have a sapling in your hand, plant it, and it will be counted." On the battlefield, no collective force, even under the leadership of one who imagines himself the Pharaoh of the world, can defeat us. May God bless you.
Rusia adalah rumah bagi sekitar 20 juta Muslim, menjadikannya salah satu populasi Muslim terbesar di Eropa. Putin secara terbuka mengakui Islam sebagai bagian integral dari masyarakat Rusia. Dalam beberapa pidato, Putin mengancam bagi siapapun yang berani melakukan penghinaan kepada Al-Quran.
Религиозные чувства людей. И еще говорят, что это не преступление. В нашей стране это преступление. И по Конституции, и по 282 статье Уголовного кодекса Российской Федерации.